From yard to the world, some drink champagne, some drown in tears. Yeah, late night call from a Kingston line. Sweet talk by said the prize is mine. Grandma praying with a phone in hand, but the dream disappear like grains of sand. Big ghost rising on the hill so tall, but the truth echo down every car. Money running like the rivers in spring, but every dollar got a shadow it brings. Old bottles pop in the moonlight glow, but nobody asks where the money flow. Fast life shine like a diamond ring, but every empire feel a sting. Champagne tears falling tonight, gold dreams shining in neon light. Some get rich from a lonely car, but every kingdom gotta fall. Champagne tears in the rain, fast money brings so pain. From the island to the world we see, truth louder than the fantasy. Hey, young boy typing in a dark room glow, millions moving where the hellers don't know. Fake love stories on a silver screen, selling hope to the in-between. Church bells ring on a Sunday morning, while the wolves lie deep in the storm. Politicians smile for the camera flash, but everybody eating from the same stash. Old bottles pop in the moonlight glow, but nobody asks where the money flow. Fast life shine like a diamond ring, but every empire feel a sting. Champagne tears falling tonight, gold dreams shining in the old. Some get rich from a lonely car, but at the kingdom gotta fall. Champagne tears in the rain, fast money brings slow pain. From the island to the world we sue, truth louder than the fantasy. Hey, from Brooklyn letters in 85 to the internet kings who never go outside. History written in silence and smoke, truth in a book that finally spoke. Champagne tears on tonight, truth finally stepping in the light. Stories hidden out, breaking free, from the island to eternity. Champagne tears, we can't pretend. Every hustle find its end. Turn the page and you will see the price of every victory. Up the core, watch it spill. Some drink champagne, some cry still. Champagne tears, champagne tears. Champagne tears.